How to use Jira free project management software. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Jira software, the first development tool used by Agile terms, and how you can actually get started with Jira and what are the different features and tools we get to manage our teams better. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to jira.com and you will land on this platform right here. Jira has a lot of different tools and features for us to manage and kind of like customize our own team, which helps us to get more productive and creative. So how to get started with Jira? You will find the option of to get started free right here, and then we can also find the option right here, get started for free up to 10 users. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and sign up for Jira. You can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my email. You have to add your work email right here, and then you have to add your full name. So the signing up process is really easy, but the important thing is checking out the pricing plan as well. So let's check out the pricing plan for Jira so you have an idea about the affordability of the platform before you sign up. So simply go to Jira slash pricing and you will land right here. So let's check out the pricing. So this is the pricing plan right here. We have a lot of different features in different pricing. So what happens is if you have a small team and you want to plan it and track it more efficiently, then you can go with 10 user plan. You can see right here. So we have a free plan first, which is going to be zero, and it is for 10 users. Of course, this is the plan that I also went with. So this is like a free plan. There is no credit card required. Then we have a standard plan, which is going to be $7.50, and it is per user per month, and it is going to be $75 a month. So then we have a premium plan, which is going to be $14.50, and it is going to be $145 per month. How do I know $145 per month? You can see right here we can add up to 20,000 users. So if you have like up to thousands of users, then it's just going to be $145 per month. And then we have the enterprise, which is going to be the custom features according to custom pricing. So then we have all of these different options. We have site limit, we have agile reporting, we have automation, project archiving, and then we have project roles, we have sandbox, then we have release tracks, we have audit logs, storage, and much more. So the pricing is actually quite reasonable with Jira software. And if we talk about the different features, we're getting a lot of different features in Jira. So now let's get into the different features so we have a better idea that when you will be using Jira, what are the features that you will be getting in different pricing. We know the pricing now, it's quite reasonable. You will choose your plan, you will sign up. The signing up process is really easy. So then we need to check the different features and tools that we are getting. When it comes to different features in Jira, of course, we will be able to create our own workspace. So once you create your own workspace on Jira, after that, you can add different boards into your workspace. We get your work option, we get reports, we get dashboards, and there are people and plans as well. Then we also have the option of apps, which allows us to add different integrations. The look of Jira is quite similar to ClickUp. That's what I have noticed personally. So what happens is you simply create a workspace. Once you have the workspace, in that workspace you get different option of such as roadmap, we have backlog, we have sprints, and we have reports as well. When it comes to the boards and charts, you can actually go for different views. You can create different list, or you can create a board. When you create a task, let's say you want to create a task within a project, so we can actually do a lot with that task as well. We can add deadlines, we can add tags to customize it and to kind of like make it more, and we can customize it and add different tags into it to get it more organized. When we talk about Jira software, and when we talk about different integrations that we get with Jira, so let's check out the different integrations. When we talk about different integrations in Jira, we get a Shopify, we get Gmail. You can actually add anything into your Jira. You can add different software management as well. You can add your Trello, you can add your Google Calendar, and much more. You can add your Calendly, your Clockify. Any software that you're using is available for Jira, because Jira is open to integrations that allows you to add different integrations within your Jira to create an amazing workspace of your own, where you can actually do automation and much more. If we get into the more details of the different features, you can see right here we get different boards. Then we have Kanban boards as well. We have roadmaps. We have agile reporting as well. What is agile reporting? Well, what happens is you actually get access to more different features, such as insights and performing. You can also check out your sprint report. You can check out your velocity chart and much more with Jira. This is actually one of the features, the agile reporting, which makes Jira stand out among the other project management software, because it's not just a simple task manager. It also has agile reporting and a lot of different features and tools for us to help us create our amazing hub of our own. And we also have a different report option, we have contact option. Then we can actually do automation with Jira that helps us save time. It's a simple drag and drop when it comes to integrations. You don't need to do too much. You simply drag and drop different integrations and you add them into your Jira to create your own workspace and to get more productive. If we talk about the different boards, and if we check out the different lists that you can create, so what happens is that you create different lists, right? And then you add different tasks into it. You can add assignees to your task, and then you can customize your boards as well. You can add deadlines, and then we can also upload different documents, or if you want to attach any file, you want to attach any link to your board, you can do that as well. So that's like super easy to use, very similar to, I would say, I have used other softwares as well. If we talk about the board view, so I think it's kind of like very similar to ClickUp, and it kind of like reminds you of ClickUp. You can see right here, this is the view. We can also integrate, for example, we can integrate different tasks from other softwares as well. If you want to integrate a task from your Trello board, and if you want to integrate a list of tasks from your any.do, so you can do that as well. Jira is really famous for its integrations. And then with our task, we are not only getting the basic board, but we also get different templates, such as software development, and we have marketing, we have business and HR. So you will actually get different templates as well that will really help you to create a professional board of your own for your team, whatever business you are doing. If it's a sales, it's an HR, marketing, so you can also go with these different templates. So that really helps you to create a professional board of your own, and that really helps you to manage your team better. So, with all of these boards and templates, Jira really helps you to create your own personal hub of your own, with a lot of different tools and features to grow your business and to get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Jira software. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.